In this video, we're going to talk about the custom volume option, which is used in what I call an over-excavation, where we need to prepare some bedding materials underneath like a pavement structure. In this case, for example, we're underneath the pavement structure here, we're going down an additional 2 feet, and we're going to quantify what needs to be dug out of the existing ground. That 2 feet, we want to quantify that different from what's just going to be filled under that 2 feet under the structure there. So perhaps we're going to do some different compaction or some kind of treatment to this area, so we need to quantify it different than what's just going in here fresh there. And I think sometimes this is called moisture density control or over excavation with select bedding, those kind of terms there. So to look at the feature definition that we're using on this component, which represents that 2 feet of over excavation, we have chosen the volume option of custom. And first of all, if we choose a split of false, then this component really gets treated as a design component. It does not get split up or broken out, but the fill goes up to the bottom, the cut goes down to the bottom. So really it's just a design component at this point. If we change the split equal to true, then we have the ability to removed and replaced is going to be that portion below the existing ground, and just the replace is going to be the portion above the existing ground there. So we have that set up now. Let's go ahead and run the create cut fill volumes. And in this case, we are going to say yes here at this prompt for compute custom, and data point to accept, and it creates the 3D meshes for us. And so now after it's done that, we will step to the next station and see that my yellowish line here is this remove and replace portion of that over excavation component, and the magenta feature up here is the portion that is just replace, or just new fill there basically. So let's take a look in the quantity reports. So we'll do quantity by name boundary with none. And we'll see that just that over excavation component itself is 1913 cubic yards. But if we go down and look at the volumes.xsl, we can see that it does break it out for us what's above and below existing ground. So of that, above existing ground is 1200, below is 686, for a total of 1913.